It's Monday. The crazy sledders are out. And William made it to the track. William made it all the way down. This is the day, I don't know, at least 30 inches of snow. Day 3. And there goes Emily. No snowballs, William! And the chief sledder himself, Richard. Do you know where our shovel is?
Yeah, it's back right here.
Oh. What do you think, guys? What day is today?
Monday.
Monday the what?
8th.
Monday, February 8th. Largest snowstorm in DC in 100 years. William, what do you think?
Good. Tummy sledding.
Emily, what do you think?
Tummy sledding.
What's tummy sledding? Okay.
Showing your tummy?
That doesn't look like much fun, Emily.
Doesn't look like it's really going to work.
No.
Wait, where are you going?
Don't, Emily.
Go get the other sled and let's